Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 27 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something with a bumpy surface. I've got this embossed paper. I'm not sure that you can see it, but it is embossed. And anything that can blow in the wind. I've got a sail, something in the shape of a triangle. I've got this, not sure what sea creature this is, squid maybe, I'm not sure. Lined paper, and I'm using this scrapbook paper, and a number or numbers, and I've got this, and our bonus is instructions. So I'm using scripture from God's instruction book. But he must ask in faith without any doubting, for the one who doubts is like the surf of the sea, driven and tossed by the wind. James 1:6. So I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to check out Margarete Miller's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag 2022 CWP27, so that you can see all the collages that everybody else has made. And I'll also have the hashtag listed in my title to make it easy to click on. So without further ado, let's get started. Here it is. I've got something with a bumpy surface, anything that can blow in the wind. I've got my sail, something in the shape of a triangle. I've got my sea creature, lined paper, number or numbers, and instructions. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag. And until next time, bye y'all.